Hello, PokeTubers! And I can finally open up the Hail Blizzard booster box because I got a bid. So let's get into it. And then, awesome. Wow, this is awesome. From power. I just dropped the camera there. So they're all Kyurem. But look how many there are. Wow, there's a lot in there. Alright, let's get right into it. They have like this Japanese advertising thing, and like a little white piece of paper on everyone. First pack. See, it has. It's yeah, just this Japanese advertisement, and that's in every pack. So first pack, we have the grass monkey thing. I can't remember the name. Darumaka, Wigglytuff, Bronzong. That's nice, and a double colorless energy. Next pack. I'm hoping for a Rudon full art from this box somewhere. That would be pretty epic. Oh man. Another advertisement. Pretty cool. We have Fungus, Pikachu. Yes, that Pikachu is awesome. Sneasel, a Lapras, and a Weavile. That's pretty nice. Alright. Third pack. We have another advertisement. Sorry about the phone. Again. We have a Fungus, a Cubchoo, a Lampent, looking really cool. I love the, oh, look at that. That's awesome. And an Unpleasant. That's a really cool holo right there. I don't have the sleeves, hang on. So this is an awesome holo. Oops, wrong way. There we go. I just love the artwork of these cards and the packs. They look so cool. I cut them because I like to preserve them. Whoop. So we got... Oh. I didn't cut far enough. Another advertisement thing for like Mewtwo EX and stuff. We have Elegim in the city. Oh, I can't remember the name of this. Wigglytuff again. Saucebuck, and a whatever that is. It's a trainer. Alright guys, one more pack. One more pack to end part 1, and then I'll do some more tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. We have Riolu, Ralts, Darumaka, and a Bisharp holo. Wow, that looks really nice. That's awesome. And a... I can't remember the name of this one either, but this Bisharp holo is really nice as well. Let's leave that. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.